Hi everyone. Today we'll see how to load a scene or how to switch from one scene to another on button click. For that we need two scenes. So I'll start creating two scenes. The first one, I'll name it as scene 1. I'll create one more scene and I'll name it as scene 2. So now I am ready with two scenes. Now we'll just differentiate these two scenes by adding some text. For the scene 1, I'll add some text. So I'll just increase the size of the text and move it to the center. I'll name it as level 1. So now for the scene 2, I'll repeat the same thing. I'll add a text. Just increase the size of the text. And I'll name it as level 2. So our scene 1 and scene 2 with the text are ready now. So for the scene 1, now let's add a button. On clicking on that button, we need to load the scene 2. So I'll add a button now. Increase the size of the button. We can name the button as start. So now our button is ready. On clicking on start button, we need to load scene 2. For that, let's have a script. Let's add a script in the main camera. We'll name it as loading scene. Open the script. To load the scene, always use the namespace Unity3D. So now let's add a function for start button click event, that is public void on start button click. So when you click on the start button, now you need to load the scene 2. So this will be SceneManager.LoadScene with the scene name, that is scene 2. So copy the scene name and paste it here and save the script now. So now let's add the function to the button. So go to button. The script is in the main camera, so drag the main camera and select the script with the function name, that is on start button click. Go to file, build settings, add this scene. You need to add both the scene that you have to load. So close it and save the scene. So now click on play. And when you click on the start button of scene 1, it should load scene 2. So it's working, guys. So now let's just reverse it. That is from scene 2, let's load scene 1. For that, let's add a button in the scene 2. So UI, it's button. Increase the size of the button. And name it as retry. So now we have our button ready. Now we'll just add a script to the main camera and name it as loading scene 2. Add it and open the script. Since we have to load the scene, so we need to have the same namespace, that is using Unity Engine.Scene Management. And also we'll have a function for retry button click event, that is public void on retry button. SceneManager.LoadScene with the scene name. And now the scene is scene 1. So copy the name and paste it. Save the script. So add the button event. So the script is in the main camera. So drag it, select the script and select the function. Save it. Click on play. And when you click on retry, it will open the scene 1. And on start button, it will open scene 2. This is how you load a scene, guys, and this is how you switch from one scene to another on button click event. So if you feel the video is useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.